blind mom's journey appears in blue writing. Me smiling at the camera. Me and Zanaya with her sitting on my lap. Axel kissing Zane on the cheek. Zane smiling. Zanaya smiling. All four of us at the Cowboys game. Me, Zane, and Zanaya smiling at the camera. The river walk appears in blue writing. Hi everybody, so we are here at the San Antonio River. Zane went out to the water. I'm not sure if Zanaya went out, but I'm gonna go take a look. But no, she didn't. Let me get her out. But here's the water. Just wanted to show you guys what we were doing. Yeah, so we are here. I'm gonna go take Zanaya down to the water and then I'll get some more footage of the water.
She's going up the stairs by herself. She went all the way up by herself.
Are you ready to leave, Zanaya?
Hold on, don't bring the water down. Drink the water. Drink that water. Drink some water.
Zanaya climbed up the stairs by herself. Oh, they came for a water break?
Be careful, Zane. Be careful. Put it back over there. Good.
Put your water back.
Zanaya, put your water back right here.
Put your water back in your stroller.
Thank you. That's your brothers. Why do I think your brothers?
Zane, where are you going?
Be careful.
Zane.
Where are you going, Zanaya?
Where are you going, Zanaya?
She's taking off with Zane's walker. She's running around the bench.
Zanaya's running around the bench with Zane's water. She's a criminal.
Come on, Mama. Put the bike. Hold.
Watch out for the bike.
Okay, hold Mama's hand.
The kids are running.
Oh, here's another bike. We gotta move. Go with Dada. Go with Dada. Don't run.
The kids are running, holding hands. Maybe this will tire them out.
Okay, you're going too fast, Chiquito. She's tired now. Alright.
So this is the result of our walk on the river this morning. Zanaya is asleep on her chair. Her head is down and she's snoring. Let me see if I can get a little closer so you can hear her snore. Zane, did you like our walk on the river? I think she's like, no, I thought she was waking up, but she's not. Look, and she was eating Cheez-Its. Zane, did you like our walk? Did you like the walk on the river today? Yeah? You want to go again tomorrow? Yeah, we're going to walk in the stroller tomorrow. You ready? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed our walk through the park. And we'll see you next time. Say bye. Bye. Zane and Zanaya holding hands at the river walk.